Thank you for reaching FTC for production. My people, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the humble channel, the channel of the people, looking for idea, looking for way to get you involved in free stuff that you can benefit for free. Yes, I don't want you to get involved in one of those scams like the Luna token that many people got involved with and lost their mortgages, the Lambo. They lost their panties in there. Literally. Yes. And some of them actually are unfortunately never gonna be the same person mentally, psychologically speaking. Because they lost the morality, they lost everything. They lost their manhood. The one heavy cemented balls that I would pee in my pants if I would be involved in that thing of Luna tokens. Which, you know what, let me check it out right now. I know it's not part of this sketch, but I'm curious, you know, how much it is. See, Terra Luna, $1? Wow. Wait, are we talking about the same one? Come on, man. Let me see something. Ah, 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 ah. There it is. I was like, $1? Nah. This is actually in trips. Quadrups. 4 digits, ladies and gentlemen. It's not even worth a penny. And Coinbase is not supporting this. If it's Coinbase doesn't support it, stay the heck away from this. And people, let me tell you this. Right there. That's where we were. $116. And many people were thinking, look, this is a bounce. Somebody sold, got the dip, and bought. This is like people buying, even in here, $106. People sold, took profit, smart ones, and some other bought the dip. Until here. Even in that little bin there. Until they lost their panty. And even in here, ladies and gentlemen, right there, that's the dip of April 17. That was the last day, so that dip. People kept buying. In here, you kept buying. It's a downtrend. People didn't notice. Right there, May 5th, Judgment Day. After that, I gotta tell you, I rather prefer to get into the Kandahar and the Six Flags 10 times, one after another, and not to be involved in something like this. People lost everything because scams like this, man, can get everything away from you. This is the reason why I insist that you should actually play it safe. Do giveaway NFTs. I know it's not as rewarding as you getting involved straight to the big balls game, but this is for intro, for newbies that are trying to get involved in a safe way. And not even for newbies, for people that are broke, low income families, individuals, and working class families that don't have additional money to invest in the things that are come here to stay. Metaverse, blockchain, crypto, you name it. You do it like this and you keep adding into your portfolio for free. It's smart, it's efficient, it's intelligent. Today I want to share with you 3 days left. Inite Beta Testnet launch giveaway. The Inite Beta Testnet launch and giveaway. Welcome to the carnival. We are happy to announce our biggest giveaway yet. Prize pool $20,000 worth of NFT plus 30,000 idea tokens. Yeah, that's what you being used on Inite Beta Testnet. Idea tokens. This actually event at the last 1 month, but you had 3 days left, but you can get in quick. And there's 12 steps you have to participate. You don't have to do them all of them, but the more you do, the better. Are gonna be coming up to you soon, which I'm gonna follow up with you. I'll let you know, so you actually get involved with. In order to increase your chances, make sure to execute all the following tasks down here, and you're gonna get unlock. You will be capable to unlock a bonus entry if you do all this. Before we begin this, I want to show you. I want to tell you something. Some of you may be wondering, why did it take me too long? I was out for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna keep mentioning this in my YouTube channels until YouTube leave me alone. 2 weeks suspended. Why? Because they're saying that some of my airdrops videos that I'm actually providing to you are marked as a scam. I don't know where that came from, but the algorithm is actually picking on me in a very ugliest way that you can imagine, and I'm tired of that. I actually thought for a moment, hey, I gotta stop doing airdrops of my community. You are asking for it. It's a supply and demand. I gotta follow. I actually provide a scholarship, stuff like that. Some actually follow it, and I really appreciate it, but the majority is airdrops, and it makes sense. You actually want to build your own portfolio for free. We look for way or chances for you to get coin for free, and this is a very easy way to participate. No risk, because you don't have to spend money on this. But YouTube says that it's a scam. I don't know how I'm gonna scam you with companies that I don't know. I'm not getting sponsored by or nothing, and they are for free, but they don't get it. They're saying I'm going against the YouTube partnership program. They treat me like a little criminal. That's the way I felt. And they shut down my channel. I put 2 appeals. They removed 2 videos of them, which I actually proved them. I went to Twitter. All of them is free stuff. They're thinking like I'm the one running this show, but I just showing this out. It seems to be that the algorithm is picking the URLs. This is the reason why I'm not putting the URL down below my video description anymore. It's not gonna happen. I'm sorry, but I'm tired, and I couldn't wait. I couldn't count the days for me to come back and do this and provide to my community, because I really don't wanna give up giving back to my community, helping them out. I think the algorithm is getting annoyed with me because I'm making 3 videos a day. Maybe that's the reason, but hey, whatever it is, I am not gonna stop, and I'm gonna continue. But I gotta be careful, because next time they warn me it's gonna be 90-day suspension. So I gotta cover my bases. I'm probably gonna actually read to you the URL from this site that I'm reading to you, but you can always Google the name of the giveaway of the airdrop and then get to this point. Okay, there are different sites provide the same information too. The point is that you get the idea how to participate in main topic, the main information, and move forward. All right, 12 ways to enter. You gotta actually follow them, and Twitter at Inite.io. You gotta retweet them, and that's the way you retweet them. And at Inite.io, that's the way that you follow them in Twitter. Retweet, you got it same. You get a point entry for that. You gotta join their Discord channel right there. It's easy if you come to the site, which I'm gonna read it to you after I'm done dictating you these 12 steps. You gotta join in Telegram at Inite IO chat, and Telegram at Inite IO as well. You gotta visit them Instagram at inite.io in Instagram. Refer friends for extra entries. You gotta visit Inite on YouTube. Give them some like, subscribe. Beta tester page, guide plus rewards. Download their app, Inite app, to become beta tester. Another entry point for that, and submit your near wallet address. Mine it right there, and you can find it from https column / wallet.near.org. It's a .org site. Yes, YouTube, it is not a scam. All right. Now, once you do these steps, 12 steps, you're gonna unlock a bonus entry, which is gonna give you more opportunity to enter and win. If you don't like the other sites that I'm getting this information from, because this is easy, straight entry for all the 12 points, please go to Gleam, which is George, Larry, Edward, Apple, Mary.io. I repeat, Gleam.io, which is George, Larry, Edward, Amber, Mary.io / 6 George, Charlie, Yellow, Romeo / Inite, which is Icon, Nancy, Icon, Thomas, Edward dash Testnet, TEST net, NET dash launch dash and Apple, Nancy, David dash rewards. I know you know how to spell rewards dash giveaway, and you'll find this page or Google it out. I'm gonna put some of this information in the video description below, but the URL is not gonna be posted because I read it to you. I hope that you saw it here, right there in the center. Write it down and you can go straight to your URL. I'm sorry, but this is the way I gotta do it from now on if I want to survive. So this is the way it's gonna be. All right, thank you very much for your support. I'm gonna leave it up to this point. I don't want to feed you with too much intel, get you bored. And until the next time, 3 videos a day, FTC4 production. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.